My name is Oki Sato. I'm the designer of Nendo. We design basically everything from graphic design, industrial design, furniture design, a lot of interiors and architecture as well. And we try to mix these different things together to create a very strong story. I think the ideal design is something that you can explain through the phone to a small child, and if he or she feels it's really exciting, I think that is good design, because it's not about forms, colors, or shapes or anything like that. It's the idea. It's true that it's minimal, it's simple, and it's strongly linked with traditional Japanese design, of course. But sometimes when Japanese design gets too minimal, it gets cold. And I think that there should be a certain friendliness within the design to create the link between people and the objects. I think emotion is a very important factor in my design because, of course, it has to be functional because it's not art. But in the word function, there is the word fun hidden inside. And I think there should be moments of happiness or surprise, or even humor is a very important. It's like a spice for my dishes in a way. I find ideas when I take my dog for a walk, or when I go to the same cafe every day and drink the same cappuccino, or there's a noodle store in Tokyo that I go every day. I order the same noodles every day. And then you start to notice the small differences. And I think it's those kind of differences that generate new ideas. And those are my design sources, which sounds crazy, but it is. It's that's how I work, I guess. For Maison&Objet in Paris, I'm thinking of designing a chocolate lounge. I've designed a box of chocolates. So all 9 chocolates are the same flavor, but they taste slightly different because one is very smooth, one is very pointy, one is very rough, one is empty. So that's exactly what I wanted to show, is that design is about finding a new perspective about things, in ordinary things, even like chocolate. And then inside of the lounge, there's several pieces of furniture inside, which is all designed by Nendo in the past 2 or 3 years for companies like Capellini or Moroso or Emeco, Glass Italia. And surrounding the furniture is roughly 2,000 aluminum rods. They are all painted in a different height, so it feels like you're sitting inside of a pot of melted chocolate or something. Design is something that you have to feel, because nowadays we have the internet. You can buy whatever you want in one click, and you can see whatever you want, but the experience is the most important factor, and I guess that design is the key factor for that. And design exists to give a small smile to people in the end. It's to make things go to a slightly better direction. I think that is the magic of design. I'm very happy, and it's a great honor to receive this award, but it really doesn't change the way I design things, or in the end, you end up with more projects, and you get more busy, and you become like this, I guess, in the end.